In this video we will talk about ear mite home remedies. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Ear mites are external parasites infecting cats and dogs. Once cursed, pets seem to have the problem for life. The mites Otodectes cynatus are large enough and easily visible with the naked eye. Ear mites, as the name says, lives in the ears as well as on the head and skin of the pets. In just 3 weeks, a mite egg can develop into an adult mite. The adult mite can live its entire life on the pet, enabling it to be highly contagious and can also cause severe inflammation. Ear mites are highly contagious and readily transmit from host to host by physical contact. Your pet can get easily infected if it socializes with other infected animals. Treatment for ear mites is a must for all the household pets. Shaking of the head and ears is the most common sign of ear mite infection. Dogs scratch at their ears, rub their face, and in severe cases, they may even bleed behind their ears to relieve themselves from the pesky little critters. Though some pets can still be infected and not show any signs of itching or head shaking. Ears that seem very itchy and have dark debris down in the ear are the telltale signs that your pet's ears have visitors. Dark brown to black debris accumulates in the ears of infected pets, and the mites may be visible as small moving white specks on the debris. Secondary infection with bacteria or yeast is common in ear mite infections and may complicate the diagnosis. Any natural oil-based ear medication will ultimately drown the mites, as the oil covers the mites' breathing pores, eventually suffocating them. Keep your pet and its environment treated for fleas. This also kills any ear mites that might be around to reinfect your pet. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.